Dismissing rumors of his ill health, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that he is totally healthy. He said in a statement in Hindi, which was posted on his Twitter handle, that for the past few days, some people on social media have spread rumors that I have not been keeping well. Few people went ahead wishing I was dead. Tamil Nadu has announced major relaxations in coronavirus lockdown guidelines starting Monday in non-containment zones. There will likely be extension of working hours of standalone and neighborhood shops, and private establishments will be permitted to function with a reduced number of employees on the premises. The centre has tweaked its testing policies once again, this time ordering that no tests will be done before discharge for patients who show only mild COVID-19 symptoms. Very mild, mild and pre-symptomatic cases can be discharged after 10 days of symptom onset and no fever for 3 days. Read the new guidelines, adding that no test is required before discharge from COVID-19 care centres. After Home Minister Amit Shah shot a letter to West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for halting trains of migrant labourers, now the State Home Secretary said in a briefing that the government has given the green signal to 10 trains carrying migrant workers to enter the state. Earlier, Congress's Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary had urged that the deadlock between the centre and state be broken. West Bengal Home Secretary informed that a train will reach Malda from Telangana tomorrow. After the Indian Meteorological Department, in a subtle shift, referred to its meteorological subdivision of Jammu and Kashmir as Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan and Muzaffarabad, Pakistan has reacted, calling it another mischievous action. The Pakistan Foreign Ministry spokesperson insisted that nothing can change the disputed status of the region, which has seen decades of conflict due to Pakistan illegally occupying the territory. The opposition in Madhya Pradesh has alleged that the deaths of 16 migrants was an avoidable tragedy if only the senior officials in charge of coordinating the operations with Maharashtra had answered their phones more often. Senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh said the government must answer whether they had registered those migrant labourers and what efforts were being made to bring them back. Former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Ajit Jogi has been admitted to a hospital in Raipur after he suffered a cardiac arrest at his home this afternoon at around 12:30 p.m. His condition is said to be serious and he's on ventilator support. The 74-year-old veteran politician collapsed in his home garden after reportedly choking on a tamarind seed.